Okay, this is problem 28 from chapter 4 of CFIN7. We're going to work it on the BAII Plus Professional, and then we're going to work it in Excel. So, when Sergine purchased her house 12 years ago, she took out a 30-year mortgage for $220,000. The mortgage has a fixed interest rate of 6%. First, we're going to compute her monthly mortgage payments, and then we're going to calculate the balance. So the balance is 12 years has passed, so there's 18 years left on the mortgage. So let's go to the calculator first. So it's 30 years monthly, so that's 30 times 12. It's 360, and so now we got to make the rate a monthly rate. So 6 divided by 12.5. Then the amount you borrowed, 220,000. That's a PV. 0 future value, and then compute PMT or payment. So the payment on her mortgage is $1,319.01. So that is the answer to A. So now the balance. So it's there's 30 minus 12 is 18. So that's 18 years remaining. So 18 times 12 is 216 payments remaining. And then we hit compute and PV. And that is $173,974.77. So on the calculator, it's equal PMT. Okay, the rate is 6%, but that's monthly, so we divide by 12. The number, and hit a comma. Now, number of periods is 30 years, and with the monthly, so we multiply by 12. That's a star key, and then the present value is the loan amount, and that's actually all we have to do. We can close that up, and we get a payment of $1,319.01. So now the last part, the balance is a PV calculation. So that's equal PV. Whoops. And the rate is 6% divided by 12. The number of periods is, remember, 18 times 12. And then the payment is the $1,319.01. And then we can close that up and get $173,974.77.